Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Byju's SD card. So first, come to search right here and type in a disk management. Okay, then you will see this create and format hard disk partitions from the control panel. Click on open, and once this opens, what you do is you find your Byju's SD card right here and you right click it, and then I want you to click on format. I will show you what option will actually come up, right? So if it's a 64GB SD card, make sure you choose exFAT. If it's a 32GB SD card, you can either choose NTFs or even FAT32. Choose those. Then make sure you toggle on perform quick format and then click on OK. And it's really that easy and simple. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.